Hey, I'm Dr. Josh Satterlee. We're going to talk today about the amazing uses of a foam roller. So another way we can use a foam roller is body alignment, especially when you're coaching people. So I'm going to use my son as a volunteer here. Come on over here. And he struggles a little bit to do push-ups. So I'm going to have you put your hands on the bench, get in push-up position. And here's what I want to concentrate on. A lot of times he rounds out in his back here. So I'm going to put this on his butt, on his shoulders. Keep your head here. We want to maintain this aligned. And now I want you to go down into a push-up. Now remember, pull your hands towards your chest. Good. Does that feel different than normal?
Yeah.
Okay, try a couple. And I'm actually pushing down here to provide a little bit of stimulation. One more. And compared to what we were seeing before, good job, buddy. You can head back and work on the camera. What we were seeing before was a lot of rounding out. And so that stimulation from the foam roller gives them a lot of really big, firm pressure without any sharp edges. Another way you can use this for alignment, another very popular exercise, is if the person dorsiflexes their foot and then axially loads this foam roller or pushes down while lifting up, we keep that foam roller against their leg. I found that this is a really good cue to learn RDLs and then give them a target, a cone, this bench or something to reach out for and touch. Once again, keep it stuck to your leg. And I find that this is self-correcting for the stance leg and alignment. So it works really well for that as well.